In this video, you will learn valuable techniques for enhancing the appearance of text in Adobe Illustrator. Understanding how to manipulate and modify text using formatting options is crucial for creating visually captivating designs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, mastering these basic formatting options will greatly improve your workflow and enable you to create polished artwork. The video will cover essential topics such as character formatting, paragraph formatting, and creating text styles. You'll discover how to adjust fonts, sizes, colors, alignment, spacing, and more to achieve the desired look for your text. Additionally, you'll learn how to utilize powerful features like Find and Replace to efficiently substitute specific text within your artwork. Another useful technique covered in the video is pasting without formatting. This enables you to seamlessly paste copied text into your document while preserving its original properties, saving you time and effort. Once you've grasped the fundamentals of basic text formatting, the video will also introduce advanced text formatting techniques that allow you to add stunning effects to your text. With these techniques, you can take your designs to the next level and create eye-catching typography. Whether you're a graphic designer, illustrator, or anyone working with text in Adobe Illustrator, this video is packed with valuable insights and practical demonstrations to help you achieve your desired design outcome. Watch now and elevate your text formatting skills in Adobe Illustrator. In this video, you will explore the powerful capabilities of the Character panel in Adobe Illustrator. The Character panel allows you to precisely adjust and personalize the visual aspects of individual characters within your artwork. To begin formatting text at a granular level, simply navigate to the Character panel by selecting Window Type Character. This will open up a comprehensive set of tools and options that enable you to fine-tune the appearance of your text. When the Type tool is active or when you have text selected, you can utilize the Control panel to access and modify various formatting options for individual characters. This panel provides a convenient and efficient way to make immediate adjustments to the selected text without the need to navigate through multiple menus. Within the Character panel, you'll find a range of options to customize your text's attributes, including font family, size, weight, style, tracking, leading, and more. You can experiment with different combinations to achieve the desired look and feel for your typography. By mastering the usage of the Character panel, you'll gain greater control over the visual presentation of your text in Adobe Illustrator. Join us in this video as we explore the capabilities of the Character panel and demonstrate how to leverage its features to enhance your text-based designs. A. Panel menu. B. Font. C. Font style. D. Leading. E. Tracking. F. Horizontal scale. G. Character rotation. H. Anti-aliasing method. I. Font size. J. Kerning. K. Vertical scale. L. Baseline shift. In the video, we'll discuss how the Character panel in Adobe Illustrator displays only the most commonly used options by default. To access all the available options, simply select Show Options from the Options menu. This will expand the panel and reveal the complete range of formatting choices. A. Font. B. Font style. C. Font size. D. Align left. E. Align center. F. Align right. In the video, we'll explore how to change the color and appearance of characters in Adobe Illustrator. By selecting specific characters, type objects, or type paths, you can apply various formatting options such as fills, strokes, and additional effects to customize your text. It's important to note that these modifications can be made without rasterizing the text, ensuring that it remains editable throughout the design process. In the video, we'll cover how to underline or strike through text in Adobe Illustrator. Underlining text can be used to emphasize important sections or key points within your document, making them visually distinct. On the other hand, strikethrough text is a useful tool for indicating deleted or removed content when reviewing or editing text. These formatting options offer flexibility in highlighting specific sections and enhancing the overall readability and clarity of your document. Formatting text in all caps or small caps can greatly enhance your text styles. By exploring the various case and capitalization options in Adobe Illustrator, you can create stylish typography that stands out. To apply all caps or small caps to your text in Adobe Illustrator, follow these steps. Select the characters or type objects that you want to change. If you don't select any text, the setting will apply to any new text you create. Open the character panel menu and choose either all caps or small caps based on your desired formatting. If you choose small caps, you can further specify the size for synthesized small caps by going to File Document Setup. By applying all caps or small caps, you can modify the appearance of your text and create visual emphasis in your designs. Change capitalization styles. To modify the capitalization style of text in your document and quickly change its appearance, follow these steps. Select the characters or type objects that you want to modify. Navigate to the Type menu and choose Change Case. In the Change Case options, select one of the following styles. Uppercase converts all characters to uppercase. Lowercase converts all characters to lowercase. Title case capitalizes the first letter of each word. Sentence case capitalizes the first letter of each sentence. Pro tips and tricks. When you change the color of a type object, Adobe Illustrator overwrites the attributes of individual characters in the type. The default weight of an underline in Strikethrough depends on the size of the type. The default value for small caps is set to 70%. By changing the capitalization style, you can easily transform the appearance of your text to suit your design needs. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on Adobe Illustrator and learning about the various formatting options for text. We hope this information has been helpful in enhancing your design skills. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider liking the video and subscribing to IT Master Channel for more tutorials and helpful content on graphic design and creative software. Stay tuned for more exciting videos and remember to practice and explore the different features of Adobe Illustrator to unlock your full design potential. Thank you for your support and happy designing!